Hello friends, welcome to Technical World. Today in this video we will discuss about iPhone 3D Touch. If it's not working, how to fix. Before start, please subscribe and also press bell icon for latest video notification. Let's go to the video. First of all, you have to go to setting and then go to general, accessibility, scroll down, here the 3D touch, set in medium and turn off. Now you have to go to setting again, go to general, then go to reset and reset network setting by putting your passcode. After reset network setting, your phone will be restart. After restart, you have to go to setting, then go to general, accessibility, go to 3D touch and turn on. With these simple and easy 3-step, you can solve iPhone 3D touch issues. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.